Luxury is in the details. Crafting by touch is an experience of elegance. From time to time at Be Tactile, we get asked and our volunteers that we couldn't make this happen without them truly. If Be Tactile and its programs are designed for fully sighted people, the answer is absolutely no. Be Tactile's program and now programs were designed because it didn't sit right with our founder, Jenny, that there were no programs or opportunities out there for the blind community to make paper greeting cards, let alone Braille greeting on any DIY greeting card made. Being that this didn't sit right at the time, Jenny was also going through her own medical trials with several nervous system insufficiencies. And there was a common ground about inaccessibility that she saw, and it lit a fire to create something. Yes, Jenny is fully sighted, but is very committed to learning how to make the Be Tactile programs as accessible for everyone because let's face it, making cards and letting your brain do the work is the fun part. Creating anything should be as elegant as it is accessible. Photo description. Photo of Jenny holding a selection of cardstock. A photo of Jenny when she was still overcoming and believing for her medical breakthrough.